Happy cruise vacation, everybody. So if you had followed me on Instagram or TikTok, you saw a very rushed room tour. So I wanted to give you a little bit more detailed. Just know, this is our last night. We're moving out tomorrow morning. So this is not necessarily how you will arrive it. We've been living here. So please excuse our hot mess. But I really wanted to show you all the amazing details in this room. And then we're gonna end with an amazing view out on the veranda. We're room 7522 on the Disney Wish. Let me show you the room. So like all cruise rooms, you open the door. On the Disney Wish, kind of like the Magic, you stick your room card in there, or if you have a gift card or like a library card, stick it in. That will keep the lights on, the air conditioning on. In your closet, they do loan you some bathrobes. There's a life preserver. There's room down there for shoes. And this next one over is kind of where we stored our stuff. Life jackets that they have for us. There is a little safe there that we did not use, and some more shoe storage. And the last one has some more hanging spots, dirty laundry, all the things in the closet. So here's where your air conditioner would turn on. This is a split bathroom. A lot of the Disney cruise ships have them. I really like that touch to them, so somebody can get ready and somebody else can be doing their business in here. Here is this room. I love the tile work on the floor. They give you a nice big sink. There's some shelves, 1, 2, 3, to store things. There's not a spot in here to plug in your hairdryer. So you're doing your hair out in the room. All right, first bathroom, go along the wall just a little bit. Second bathroom, this one is of course the messier one that we've been using. Full length mirror. I really like this shower. They have a couple little storage shelves. You will find your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there. And it's a full tub, which is awesome for families with younger kids. Garbage can on this side, little storage area on this side. Big sink, nice big mirror. 1, 2, 3 storage shelves. Also no spot to plug in your hairdryer in here either, which is fine, but there is a mirror out here if you want to blow dry your hair out here. All right, close that up. And on every floor on the Disney Wish, there's a different theme. Our room theme is Cinderella. Like, look at this artwork. It is so beautiful. I love the gold accents. It's gorgeous. On each side of the bed, there's a big lamp, and then boop, that's a little book light, 2 light switches, 2 USBs, and then that weird funny little plug storage in there. This is the queen size bed. This is what the room will look like when you walk into it. Yeah, that's a little nicer. All right. Gonna walk into this gorgeous room. If you have other family members, you can have a connecting room right there, totally planned out. The TV doesn't swivel, it stays right there, so if the kids want to watch TV, they're gonna hang out in your bed. The room does sleep 4. This is a single fold down sofa that they will fold down for us. In the ceiling is another pull down bunk if you have a younger one. On this side of the bed is where you're gonna find your 2 more USB plugs, 2 American plugs, some light switches, another lamp, and a book light. Little storage thingamajigger there. All of the Disney Cruise Lines have a nice big room under the bed to put your suitcase. Little table. And this mirror does have a light to it. Let's balcony, curtain, ceiling, mirror. Boom, got it to work. All right, so nice bright light. We'll turn that off so you can see everything though. So this is where you're gonna blow dry your hair, because right there, that is where the hairdryer plug is. More storage for makeup, water bottles, accessories, and garbage can. Backpack storage. All right, here's a little storage. This is where your little refrigerator is. Little drawer, another little drawer. I'll show you the fridge. I did what I call it the Adam Hatton trick. I'll explain that later. We ordered room service this morning, and that is what we're gonna eat tomorrow morning because we disembark and it's kind of a hectic morning, and because we have later dining, we would have later breakfast, and we wanna get off the ship and do things. And this tote was our gift because we're Silver Castaway members, which is awesome. And let's go check out the balcony because we're at Castaway Cay and it's amazing. Castaway Cay is gorgeous. We are on the starboard side of the ship. It's a nice spot to be. Normally we've been on the other side of the ship before, and you can kind of see them coming and going, setting up. So I like either side. You really can't go wrong. So let me know what you think of this room. Let me know if you have any questions too. We've been on the Disney Wish, the Disney Magic, and the Disney Dream. The Disney Magic is definitely the biggest of all the ships that Disney has in and of itself. The Magic is one of the smaller ones. It's a sister ship of the Wonder. We love all of them. The Disney Dream is also a larger ship, but this one's a little bit bigger. We love all the ships. Like I said, there's pluses and minuses to any one of them. If you have absolutely any questions about any of the Disney Cruise Line ships or any of the itineraries, please let me know. We love going to Castaway Cay. I think it's just paradise. There's so much to do. You can relax, you can be busy. It's just a blast. Yeah, so stay tuned for more Disney Cruise Line information. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.